Are you ready?
Picked one.
Are you really? Hey, can you pass my broom?
There's fields and a grove.
It's right by your side.
And far enough so no one will get in our way. Good.
Place is right there.
Are you there?
Will you please pass my iron broom? Stop being a shit. Don't, you fist it up now, you ball bag.
That fucking flew. Oh my god.
Fucking hell.
You nearly got killed by your
I nearly got killed by one of my great loves. That was fucking scary. I don't want to drink it. I'm that scared. Fucking hell.
But now that one is gone.
It's over there somewhere. Where is it? It flew over. It's over there.
It flew away.
The fucking hell was that? It's like, boom. Oh, fucking hell. That was awful.